Eating out in Spanish and freezing up at the table? Today you learned 8 words you need at the restaurant. Stay to the end for a full recap. First, what you ask for at the end.
La cuenta.
It means the bill.
La cuenta, por favor.
The person who serves you.
El camarero.
It means the waiter.
El camarero es muy amable.
What do we for good service?
La propina.
It means the tip.
Dejamos una buena propina.
What your food arrives on.
El plato.
It means the dish or plate.
Este plato está delicioso.
The verb you will use most.
Pedir.
It means to order or ask for.
Voy a pedir la especialidad.
How you praise the meal.
Sabroso.
It means tasty.
La comida está muy sabrosa.
Be careful ordering this.
Picante.
It means spicy.
No me gusta la comida picante.
Everyone's favorite part.
El postre.
It means dessert.
¿Qué hay de postre?
Let's recap the 8 restaurant words from today.
La cuenta del camarero, la propina, el plato, pedir, sabroso, picante, el postre.
Subscribe for a Spanish lesson every day. Next video phrases for ordering coffee in Spanish.